In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find your deleted posts on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Facebook app. Then tap right here at your profile picture to head over to your Facebook profile. After that, tap at these three dots and then get in the activity log. Once the page is loaded, at the very top you can easily find trash. If we get into trash, we can easily find all the posts we've deleted in the last 30 days. It shows the number of days left until the post will be automatically deleted just under each particular post. However, from here we can immediately delete this post from trash if we tap right here at three dots and then hit delete. Also, if we tap at three dots next to post, we can view that post. Also, we can move this post to archive to prevent the deleting of this post, and also we can restore it to profile, just like that. That will move this post from trash to our Facebook profile feed. Here it is. That's it basically, guys. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.